Jai Hind everybody. I am Lieutenant Colonel Rajendra Singh of the Sindh Horse. My regiment was raised in 1838 and we fought our first battle after 5 years, in which we were awarded 9 standards, which is a rare thing to happen, because we were part of Sir Charles Napier's army and we defeated the Baluchis and we captured the principal standard of Mir Nasir Khan, the Amir of Sindh. With that background, I was lucky enough to join the Sindh Horse just about a few months before the war. I was just 20 years old. We were located at a place called Bamni village, which is right next to the Ravi river. And we were all under camouflage because on the 3rd of December, Pakistani sabres went over our heads and attacked Pathankot airfield. At night on the 3rd, Mrs. Indira Gandhi declared war on Pakistan. We were all ready and we were only allowed to move on the night of 8th and 9th December. We crossed the Ravi without any preparation, got into the Lassiya Bulge, border post 16, and broke out from a bridgehead provided by 115 Infantry Brigade. On the 10th, we captured Naina Court with half of our squadron giving them fire support, and 4 grenadiers took it. Thereafter, on the 11th, our tanks moved on the axis Naina Court, Shakargarh, and they came under enemy tank fire, which we later found out was 31st Cavalry Squadron, that was Bravo Squadron commanded by Major Nasrullah Khan. While our Bravo Squadron was engaged with them, our CO, the Maharaja of Kapurthala, decided to send 2 of his other squadron, that is Bravo and Charlie Squadron, on a left hook, which proved very fruitful because the moment we went behind them, they were totally caught by surprise and we shot 8 of the tanks, and after shooting these tanks, in the process we captured 2nd Lieutenant Naib Iftikhar, the great grandson of Sir Sikandar Hayat, the erstwhile governor of Punjab, Pakistan, and his crew. After we knocked these 8 tanks of the enemy, we did a head count of who shot which tanks, and the tank killers were 2 tanks shot by Captain K.K. Chauhan, 2 by Captain Hassanwalia, 1 tank by Major Brajinder, 2 tanks by Risalda Dyal Singh, who got a VRC also, 1 tank by Lieutenant J.S. Chauhan. So this was a pretty big kill, and this battle was fought in the area of Malikpur, a Pakistani village. Therefore, we got the battle honor of Malikpur and theatre honor of Punjab. On the 12th, we kept moving and edging on to the Bai river because just across the Bai was this village called Shakargarh, our final objective. While Charlie Squadron was moving near Biso Buzur, Second Lieutenant KJ Singh shot 2 tanks of the enemy, all pattern M48 tanks. And while he was busy, firing at the enemy with the open up cupola, a Cobra missile was fired from the side, and it got him, right on the cupola, and it, knocked off half of his face, the left side, and part of the shoulder. He died instantaneously. I later went and picked up his body from the same area and took it across, because I was ordered by the commander to take an ambulance. Plus there were 1 or 2 other casualties of the infantry. We took them to our ADS. Now coming on to 14th, we lost 1 tank, which was in the workshop, that is the FO tank, and but it got repaired and got on road later. There was another tank of Major Hassan Walia, which was, while attacking Shakargarh, his tank got hit, went over a mine first, then got hit also. So we had to leave that in no man's land. Overall, we captured 230 square kilometers of enemy area, and we shot 10 pattern tanks. And our motto goes like this: man dies, but the regiment lives. Now I'll show you my picture with Sam Manekshaw. This is Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw presenting me a Sena Medal Gallantry. Thank you.